Hello and welcome back to the shack with me, 2E0XSB. The RSGB have started a new contest series for FT4, which is starting tomorrow, the 2nd of September. This is just before the start of the autumn series of club contests, so it's going to be a good little warm-up. It's something that I'm going to be taking part in, so let's have a look at the actual details. Okay, so a quick click onto the RSGB site for contesting, which is the HF Contests and News. Scroll down, and here we have the RSGB FT4 contest. So we click on there to check out the rules and regs. Okay, so just a quick run through the parts that we're really interested in. So the objective to score as many points based on distance between stations. The series is running on Monday the 2nd of September, Monday the 7th of October and Monday the 4th of November. The first two starting at 1900 hours Zulu time and the November at 2000 hours, obviously due to clocks going back. It's a Le Mans style start. That means that entrants are not allowed to transmit 2 minutes before the start of the actual contest. Contest is on FT4 using the version 2.1.0 WSJT-x. There is a link there to actually take you straight to the website to download that if you haven't already. Frequency in use is the base frequency on the software, so that means we don't have to change anything when we're about to use it. We're not allowed to run Fox and Hound mode, which is not a problem. The usual gubbins there. This is the main part that we're really interested in, which is the reporting of the exchange. So the report is 4-character locator, which is done on the software itself. So it's basically just using the FT4 QSO mode as standard without any changes. There are changes that you can make in the actual thing itself, in the software itself, sorry, to set it up for contest mode, but that looks like we're not actually having to do that, which is a big help. And the login submission types, it's in ADIF format, which is what WSJT-x pulls up anyway, or Cabrillo format. So it's up to you. You can change it to the Cabrillo, which is the normal contesting sort of style, or you can actually enter it as the ADIF file, which makes it a lot easier. So let's have a look now on WSJT-x software and have a look what we can do. Okay, so I've just opened up the WSJT-x and we're set to FT4, and if we look in here, files, in the settings, there are a couple of changes that we might want to make, which is one, the reporting, so we can log automatically in contesting only. And the other one is in the advanced part where we click on special operating activity. This is basically the contest mode that it was talking about, but we don't need to worry about that at the moment, but it's just helpful to know for the future reference. So as you can see, we're actually on the 80 meter band on correct frequency, and it's dead at this moment in time, which is not really surprising because FT4 has only really been stable and full release for the last couple of weeks or so, but hopefully tomorrow it will be an absolute hive of activity. Okay, so that all seems simple enough. I'm not going to be using any of the special contest loggers or anything to actually run this contest tomorrow. I'm just going to see how I go on by using the WSJT-x software itself. I'm going to start a new log, back up my old logs just so I don't lose anything, and hopefully we'll get some good results. I see that you can use it with N1MM, but at this moment in time, because you don't need it to be set up in any of the actual styles for the club contests or anything for the RSGB contesting, I'm going to leave it as is and just try running it through the software itself. So anyway, I hope that this video has been a little bit informative for you, and I hope to see as many of you as possible on the actual contest tomorrow. Until then, It's good night from me, 2E0XSB, and I hope to see you all on the airwaves.